Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play your Nintendo Switch games on your phone. To begin, ensure you have a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection for both your phone and your Nintendo Switch console. Your smartphone should also possess adequate processing power and at least 6 GB of available storage. Finally, download a reputable remote play or emulation application suited for your device before proceeding with the setup. This preparation is key for a smooth experience. One common method involves streaming your Nintendo Switch display directly to your phone using a remote play application. First, ensure your console and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then, download and open a compatible streaming app on your smartphone, following the in-app instructions to connect to your Switch. Remember to pair your Joy-Cons or Pro Controller to your phone via Bluetooth for an authentic gaming experience. Adjust the streaming settings for the best balance between visual quality and responsiveness. Another popular avenue is emulation, which runs games directly on your phone without streaming from the console. This method requires a very powerful smartphone, ideally with a flagship processor from the last 2 or 3 generations. You'll need to install a reliable Switch emulator application and then load your legally acquired game files onto your phone. Be aware that performance can vary significantly based on your phone's specifications and the specific game you are attempting to play. To enhance your mobile gaming experience, first, close all unnecessary background applications on your phone. This frees up valuable processing power and memory. If you encounter lag or visual stuttering while streaming, try reducing the video resolution within your chosen application settings. For persistent connectivity problems, a simple restart of your Nintendo Switch, your smartphone, and your Wi-Fi router can often resolve the issue. Always ensure both devices have ample battery life for uninterrupted gameplay sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.